We're good. Yeah.
Putting this on a sponsor video?
Yeah, we're gonna make all this into a video. That's fun. Ah!
See if I can kick for it.
If you do learn that, I'll give you a If you, I'll tell you what.
You put me to all of that. Are you gonna share whatever we get now?
I didn't get to see it.
You didn't get to see that?
No.
That was such a pop.
Let's hope this guy's going food. Nope. I know the guy that is here, that
One of our teachers.
administrator, he's one of our teachers. He said we could stay here and come Sunday.
Okay, well that's different than what they told me. Who'd you talk to?
Daddy. We don't know his first name. He's a colored guy.
Okay. Well,
If you want us to leave, we'll leave.
no, I mean, I'm just saying, that's just what they told me, so.
I'm getting tired. You just landed one. Hope we got that. That was pretty good. Oh my God, you're not gonna land it. No, I'm gonna pick it. Oh. You can't even get off the staircase without. Oh, let's go. Hungry. Long though.